If you're trying to activate FaceTime on your iPhone and running into that pesky activation unsuccessful error, you're definitely not alone. This can happen for a few reasons, like some settings being off, issues with your network connection, or even something going on with your Apple ID. But don't sweat it, we've got your back. In this guide, I'll walk you through some straightforward solutions to get FaceTime up and running again. Before trying anything, check your internet connection. Before diving into any fixes, let's make sure your internet connection is solid. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to bring up the control center. Check that you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi network or that your cellular data is turned on. Now open a web browser and head to a site like fast.com to check your internet speed. If you notice your connection is shaky, try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. If you're still having issues, let's go through these quick solutions. Solution 1. Check date and time settings. Getting your date and time settings right is crucial for activating FaceTime. Start by opening Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap on Date and Time. Make sure that Set Automatically option is turned on. Solution 2. Enable FaceTime in Settings. Let's ensure that FaceTime is actually enabled on your device. Open Settings on your iPhone again. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Now find and tap on FaceTime. Toggle FaceTime off and then back on. If you're asked to sign in with your Apple ID, remember to activate FaceTime using your Apple ID or your phone number. Solution 3. Sign out and sign back in. Sometimes refreshing your Apple ID settings can clear up activation issues. Go to Settings on your iPhone, tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Scroll down and select Sign Out. After that, restart your iPhone. Return to Settings and sign back in with your Apple ID. Solution 4. Offload FaceTime. If FaceTime is acting up, offloading the app might help. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Tap on iPhone Storage. Look for FaceTime in the list and tap on it. Then tap Offload App and confirm that you want to offload the app without deleting your data. Solution 5. Enable Background App Refresh. Let's make sure your background app refresh is set up correctly. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Tap on Background App Refresh. Ensure that Background App Refresh is turned on for both Wi-Fi and cellular data. Scroll down and check that FaceTime is enabled for Background App Refresh. Solution 6. Reset Network Settings. Resetting your network settings can clear up any connectivity issues. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then select Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings and confirm your choice. After your iPhone restarts, reconnect to Wi-Fi and see if FaceTime activates. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve that annoying activation unsuccessful error with FaceTime on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.